Fasting. It is a practice that has been around for thousands and thousands of years, used both for spiritual renewal as well as for renewing the health. Hi, I'm Robyn Thomson. I am the co-author of the Eat, Live, Thrive diet book, and I'm also an advanced clinical weight loss practitioner. As a health coach for over 25 years, as well as a woman, I've actually seen and experienced the incredible health benefits that fasting can do for you. And as a Christian, I've also seen what an amazing impact fasting can have on your spiritual walk. However, fasting or the fasting lifestyle really needs to be done intentionally, especially if you're what we call an ageless woman, a woman that's 45 plus. We have special needs when it comes to fasting. And in fact, when Danna and I wrote our book, The Eat, Live, Thrive Diet, we created the ELT eating cycle, which is a kinder, more gentle approach to fasting. There's so much information out there on intermittent fasting or short-term fasting, but there are tons and tons of misconceptions also. And that's why I wanted to address this topic on the Revive and Thrive Living an Intentional Life virtual conference. I'm going to share with you the many health benefits of fasting and actually how it can really aid weight loss. In fact, for many of our clients, they call it a game changer for them. I'm also going to share with you some of the things to look out for so that you can allow your body to adapt slowly and not put undue stress on it. You don't want to cause it any harm, and you don't want to make your metabolism tank and go in the opposite direction. So there's some things that you really want to know. Some of the health benefits that you can experience are cleansing the body and increased energy, better insulin sensitivity. I mean, the list goes on and on. It's amazing for brain health, and there's so many good benefits. I am going to address questions like, how do I know if I'm actually fasting too long? And should I cut my fast short, even though you had an intention to do it longer? What can you eat or drink, if anything, while you're fasting? And what should you eat when you break your fast? Things like this that you want to be really intentional about when you embark on the fasting lifestyle. No matter what your age, you can experience increased health, energy, and weight loss when you embark on the fasting lifestyle. I'm just one of 12 speakers that have important messages to share with you about living an intentional life. We invite you to join us for the Revive and Thrive virtual conference. Just click the link provided to get registered.